Good morning, students. Again, in this video, we are going to discuss the last numerical from the second unit. Okay, so let us write down the problem statement. A reversible heat engine operates with efficiency of 30%. Okay, find heat supplied and power output if heat rejected from the engine is 70 kilowatt. Estimate COP of heat pump if the engine is reversed to work as heat pump. Okay, draw sketch of the heat engine and heat pump. Okay, so let us solve this particular numerical. Okay, now we will read this problem statement first. A reversible heat engine operates with efficiency of 30%. Find heat supplied and power output if heat rejected from the engine is 70 kilowatt. Estimate COP of heat pump if the engine is reversed to work as an heat pump. Draw the sketch of an heat engine and heat pump. Okay, so in the problem statement only they have asked the diagram of it. So let us draw the diagram first. This is the diagram of an heat engine. That is what they have asked first. Okay, so this is heat engine, or you can call it as an engine also, not a problem. So this is T hot, okay, or the hot reservoir. Then this is T cool, or this is the cold reservoir. Okay, now heat will be supplied. Okay, that is nothing but the Q hot. This is heat supplied and we are going to get the work as an output. So WOP, work output, that is what we are going to get, and Q cool, that is nothing but the heat rejected. Okay, this is nothing but the heat rejected. So W output will be equals to Q hot minus Q cool. Okay, that is what will be the W output. Okay, now again we will have to draw the diagram for the heat pump. So let us draw that particular diagram again. So this is heat pump. Okay, this is again T hot, this is hot reservoir. Okay, this is T cool, and this is a cold reservoir. Okay, so for the heat pump you are aware that we need to supply the electricity, so W has to be given. So W will be the input and this will be the Q hot, will be the heating effect, and which will be the heat rejected. Okay, and it will absorb heat from T cool, and this is what is the heat absorbed. So W will be equals to Q hot minus Q cool. Okay, so this is what is the heat engine and this is what is the heat pump. So let us solve the numerical now. Okay, so what is given in the given data? Efficiency of an engine is given as 30%, which will be equals to 0.3. Okay, and Q cool is given as 70 kilowatt. Okay, so efficiency of an engine will be equals to 1 minus Q cool upon the Q hot. So it will be equals to 0.3 is equal to 1 minus Q cool is 70 kilowatt, so 70 upon Q hot. So if we solve this, how we can solve this? 0.3 minus 1 will be equals to minus 70 upon Q hot. Okay, then what will be the answer over here? Or Q hot will be equals to minus 70 upon 0.3 minus 1. So let us find out this answer.